Apple may never appreciate the idea of relying on just one supplier, but for camera sensors, it really had no other option but to continue sourcing from Sony, with its latest iPhone 16 lineup also featuring parts from the Japanese manufacturer. However, this exclusive partnership could be coming to an end as Samsung, which provides Apple with OLED panels for various products, could enter the Cupertino firm's supply chain for cameras. A tipster reveals that the manufacturer is working on a 3-layer stacked sensor that is said to be more superior than Sony's Exmor RS range. Samsung would start supplying Apple with 48-megapixel sensors for the iPhone 18, which will likely launch 2 years from now. With this being the first leak, we heard rumors about Sony's camera and sensor supply game monopoly coming to a halt. And with the second leak, it makes that Sony fall even more true. You see, the second rumor states that Samsung is developing a 3-layer stacked sensor for Apple in the PDTR logic configuration. A stacked camera sensor has processing chips present at the back, with the 3-layer term indicating that there will be a total of 3 chips on top of one another in a sandwich form. The advantage of adding a stacked camera sensor to an iPhone is that the distance at which the pixel values have to travel shrinks substantially, reducing the processing speeds. For smartphones, a stacked sensor is an ideal upgrade because most users will not wait around in a stationary position for several seconds to capture a memorable moment, and they would rather whip out the device and immediately take a snap. Assuming this technology debuts for the iPhone 18 series, our source mentions that Samsung's unnamed 3-layer stacked sensor is more advanced than Sony's Exmor RS lineup. As mentioned before, the Korean giant sensors are being developed in the PDTR logic configuration, which is a next-generation, advanced packaging. While the latest rumor hints that Sony will not be the only supplier for Apple in the coming years, it leaves us with more questions than answers, like which iPhone model Samsung's sensors will debut in. Samsung is also in the process of mass-producing a 500-megapixel camera for its own future Galaxy flagship lineup, which is also said to be a 3-layer stacked version. As Samsung is said to be developing sensors for Apple, the source did not shed any further details. We are confident that you also have some queries, so share them in the comments below. Leaked files reveal a revolutionary life-saving feature potentially coming to the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Samsung is gearing up for the Unpacked event 2025, which will reportedly be held in January. The star of the show would be the company's flagship S25 series, which the rumor mill seems to be in full swing about. So far, speculation has given away quite a few details about the upcoming lineup, and now a leaked file gives a sneak peek into a life-saving feature that might be making its way to the new series. With the Galaxy S25 series right around the corner, many leaks have emerged, giving away major insights into what we can expect from the upcoming lineup, leaving little for the imagination. Now, a leaked file shows the possibility of a car crash detection feature that Samsung is considering adding to the S25 lineup. This is not the first time that Samsung's plan to add the life-saving feature to its flagship models has surfaced, as many hints have been dropped about a code detected related to a car crash sensor. It looks like the feature might finally see the light of day with the upcoming models, as leaked files of the Galaxy S25 Ultra via Android Authority reveal a feature called the Car Crash Detection Wake-Up Sensor. The way the feature would work is that an advanced sensor would collect a composition of information from multiple sensors placed on the phone, helping users better understand potential accidents. By bringing this forward, Samsung will continue with its commitment to more enhanced safety solutions by using cutting-edge technology. While the new series is said to be equipped with a sensor that detects car crashes, the feature is not yet active on any of the devices. Samsung could be working on fine-tuning the feature before it is officially rolled out. Given the huge utility this feature would bring to users by preventing potential accidents, it can serve as a lifesaver if you are in the middle of an emergency situation. We have yet to see how this feature will be implemented, but it could serve as a game-changer when it comes to life-saving situations and emergency services. Samsung is determined to bring innovative features and major upgrades to its next flagship models, and we are excited to see more details emerge about the upcoming S25 series as the launch date approaches.